Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we got Preston's bike all finished up, heading back to Pennsylvania. We went with the MMats Pa601s in the fairing. We modified the speaker pods, sealed them back up. We did the Hertz SX Neo in the tour pack pods. Factory grill fit right back over. Rockford cut-in lid kit. We flashed the radio, added a Dsr1 DSP with a T-harness. So here's our T-harness connection. There is our amp mounting plate, so the amp sits in the same exact location as the factory boom audio amplifier. Dsr1 DSP tucks into this corner. And on this one we added Viper Power Sports alarm with GPS tracking. The nice part about this alarm, it's completely weatherproof. The remotes have sealed buttons. The siren's weatherproof, and he can track it. If this bike moves, gets shaken, he'll know exactly where it's at. The great part about the Power Sports unit is it has very, very low current draw, so it will not kill the battery while the bike's being stored. We use the Stinger SVT30L to help with the extra load that we added on the factory battery. So now he's not going to have any current issues at all. This battery's for good up to 2,000 watts RMS. So it's going to handle the Sound Digital 800 easily. The wiring's nice and clean the way we like to do it. So the wire is under the tether, so that way it doesn't get caught up on anything. And then lower corner of the bag where we like to make the hole,